Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix blurry iPhone camera. So if I just open my primary camera, so you will see it's a light mighty blur. So the first thing is that you will be just clean the primary camera of your iPhone model. After you will just tap the iPhone settings as well and scroll down to find camera. After you will be just find preserve settings. So just get in after and make sure you will be just turn it on all the options like camera mode, control menu, creative control, depth control, exposure adjustment, or night mode. So just refresh your phone and after you will be just open the camera again and it will be just clean. So that's it. In this way, you will just have to fix blurry iPhone camera. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more video.